Hello everyone. We are going to show you how license can be added in a license pool. First of all, click the Add Pool button on the license pool page, then enter pool name. For example, Fortnite. Search the game. Check the respective game. And click the Save button. Now, click the pool just added. Click the Add License button on the right. Select the game type. Enter license name. Password. And click the Save button. After that, open iCafeCloud client. Then open the game Fortnite. It will automatically sign in the account added in the pool.